Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Revolve tool in FreeCad to create this simple drinking glass. Start by selecting the Part Design workbench, creating a body, then creating a sketch. Let's choose the YZ plane. Now, to make the glass, let's select the polyline tool to sketch a vertical profile. You don't need to start it in the origin, you can start it anywhere. Let's do it about like this. Now go up. Now go back along the previous lines, join it together, make sure the last line is vertical. Let's use the fillet tool to make it a little bit more smooth. Now close the sketch, use the Revolve tool, and as you can see, we got a cup, but there's a problem. A big hole in the center, and we don't want that, so go to Axis, select Reference, choose the vertical line. Now, as you can see, we get a cup. That's all. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.